Well, Dr. Greg here. Welcome to part 2 of our posture series. Today I'm going to show you some examples and discuss those with regards to the poorest posture out there. And then I'm going to talk to you about how we as chiropractors go about assisting patients with restoring their posture and regaining their normal muscle control. First of all, I want to talk to you about some of the common findings I have presenting to my office. Constantly have the person who works in the office all day, their shoulders are pushed forward, they're in a very flexed state as we call that. Now the problem with that is it's putting huge amounts of pressure through our neck, our shoulders and even our lower back. And what I mean by that is everybody's seen that person out there who looks like they've got the hunchback of Notre Dame. They can't even check their blind spots while driving, so it becomes an unsafe posture to have. They struggle to turn their head when you're talking to them. They're often in constant pain around the neck and shoulders. Everything starts to hurt. They may even have some symptoms running down into their arms after a period of time. That's because these joints are no longer moving correctly and those pain fibers are being constantly stimulated because the joints are in a state of crisis. This occurs down in the lower back as well. Sometimes what you'll find is when a person's posture moves forward up the top, it's putting a huge amount of pressure on these discs through here and we start to move down the stages of degeneration. And that's when we can end up with disc herniations occurring in the lower back. So posture is not just an upper back neck thing. It is in all areas of life. So it's very, very important that we start to address those. And a chiropractor is the best person to address those for you. They have been proven to be specialists in this field. This is a key component of their clinical practice. They adjust the spine, and that adjustment is what stimulates the part of the brain which is responsible for your equilibrium and balance, and that is called the vestibular system. Now with that system working correctly, your body can right itself correctly against gravity. If it's not working properly, it is very misguided and you could assume any position within space and gravity starts to wear your spine out. So consult your chiropractor and they will lead you in the right direction and give you a postural assessment and tell you what it's going to take to restore your proper joint function and maximize your health. Take care.